Hey there, I'm Jennifer Bands, and today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make this satisfying barbecue chicken salad. Okay, today we're making a super delicious and satisfying barbecue chicken salad. It is going to fill you up. The recipe is good for one person, which I think is great to write recipes for just like one salad. It's kind of hard to have to make a whole salad or like 4 servings of a salad because I don't know about you, but my family does not eat salad. So I'm the only one that eat the salad, so I just like to make one at a time. I'm going to start with the ranch dressing, and you could use a bottled ranch dressing for this recipe, but I like to make a Greek yogurt ranch dressing. And this one is I'm just making kind of just willy-nilly. Like, I've never actually made it like this before. But I have a pretty good idea of how I want it to go. I've got a quarter of a cup of milk. You could use almond milk, oat milk, regular milk, it doesn't matter, because this Greek yogurt is kind of thick. So I'm going to put in a quarter of a cup of Greek yogurt. So I'm putting in enough to bring the measuring cup up to a half a cup. So that looks good. And then I'm going to use, this is just ranch seasoning mix. So I'm going to put a tablespoon of this to start, just to start building the ranch flavor. And if it needs more, I can taste it and see how much more it needs. So I'm just going to whisk this together. Okay, my ranch tastes good. It just needs to be thicker. So I'm going to add a little bit more Greek yogurt. And what I like about making this with Greek yogurt is it is very low in calories, but it's got a lot of protein. And I'm going to add a little bit more ranch seasoning, and then I think this will be good. So now we have almost a cup of low calorie, high protein ranch dressing. Good to go. You can store this in the refrigerator for, I would say, up to a week, but really just until either the lifespan of your milk or the lifespan of your Greek yogurt. So whichever one expires first, or a week is a good measure. So that looks good. Okay, now let me go over all of the other components to our barbecue chicken salad. I've got spinach, but you could use whatever greens you want. And I've got 4 ounces of already cooked chicken. And in the recipe, I explain, like seasoning just a piece of chicken and cooking it. But I've already got it made, so why not use that? So now I'm going to add the barbecue sauce. I'm going to coat the chicken in sugar-free barbecue sauce. This is G. Hughes, the best sugar-free barbecue sauce. Sweet Baby Ray's sugar-free is also pretty good. So I've got a quarter of a cup, and I'm going to mix it with my 4 ounces of chicken and just use some tongs to gently stir that. So now I'm going to add that to my salad. Next up, we've got a quarter of a cup of shredded carrot. You could, of course, any of this is optional, but I just think, shredded carrots in a barbecue chicken salad is just so good. Kind of gives that coleslaw feel. And I've got some sliced cherry tomatoes. I just sliced them in half, about a quarter of a cup or so. And I've got a quarter of a cup of shredded cheese. And this is a quarter of a sliced avocado. And now we can just pour over some of our Greek yogurt ranch. And how amazing does that look? So now let's get a bite. Make sure and get some of that chicken. So good. I love the ranch dressing mixed with the barbecue sauce. Be sure you check out this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.